Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. CBSE has recently published the sample question paper for the subject painting having code number 049 for the academic session 2020 and 21 along with the marking scheme. Today I am going to solve all the questions of the sample question paper step by step. So let's start. Time allotted 2 hours and maximum mark is 30. Answer all the 5 sections. Questions are grouped into 5 sections. Section first consists of 6 MCQs, each carrying 1 mark. Section second comprises 4 questions and you have to answer any 3 in 30 words. Each question is carrying 2 marks. There are 2 questions in section third and you have to answer both in 100 words. Section 4th also contains 4 questions and you have to answer any 2 in 200 words and each question carries 3 marks. Section 5th consists of 2 questions and you have to answer any one in not more than 350 words and it carries 6 marks. Now I am going to solve all the questions one by one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any query or doubt, please put a note at the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.